This is a stand I've designed and printed for. This is Work Zone. That's Aldi. You get these from Aldi supermarket in Middlesbrough. You see the state of this, falling to bits, and the plastic insert is also falling to bits. But a pretty good 8 VDE screwdriver set. And there's some of the sizes there. Okay, again, mains voltage sort of testing one, which, you know, don't rely on mains voltage testing screwdrivers too much. But you get Phillips and flat bladed, quite a full set. So there's mains testing. Touch the end, touch it on mains, and this should light up if you've got live mains. 240 volts. I think it goes from about 125 Phillips, small, sort of medium. So these are insulated, as you see, for electrical work. Bigger one, Phillips. We've got flat bladed, pretty big one. Like a medium, I suppose. Well, medium to big. That's more of a medium one, I would say. Flat bladed. And then you've got a small flat bladed one. And as I say, you've got the really quite small. These are ideal for usually for terminal blocks and such like, but that's about it. These can move a bit. So that's it, sort of from the top. Okay, and sort of from the bottom underneath. So just let this rotate a bit. So it's handy if you want to quickly grab a, say, screwdriver. I'm going to have to watch this. This is hanging over a bit on this rotating thing here. Yeah, it's going to slide off here. I've got it on a like CD case thing because it's too big to go on this rotating thing. Right, that'll do. Yeah, I think it takes about a day, well over a day to print this, over 24 hours. I'd say 30 hours, maybe a bit more actually. Right. It's pretty good. I'll just show you. So this might be better. Get those reflections out. So you can turn it by hand. Get off that because it's falling off that. Okay.